Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you will be fine. I'm your science teacher with lecture number 1 of unit 6. Today materials. Today topic is properties of materials. Unit number 6 materials, page number 53. In our daily life, we use many materials. The building we live, work, and play are made of different materials. The clothes we wear, the furniture, and the different kinds of transport. So, the materials actually define what things are made from. So, the term material can be defined as the matter from which a thing is or can be made. The matter from which a thing is or can be made. Matter, mada. Everything in a universe is made of something. Everything around us is made of something. Some are made from wood, some are made from plastic, some are made from rubber. So the term materials define the matter from which a thing is or can be made, or what things are made from. Some non-living things are made from natural materials and some are man-made. Natural materials are the materials which cannot be made by man. For example, sun, rock, moon, river, wood, all are the natural materials. The natural materials come from the plants, animals, and minerals which are useful for us. Man-made material, hut, road, car, bat, and ball are the man-made material. The man can make things for their use. Some natural materials are used to make a man-made material. For example, a natural material clay, which is a type of a soil which is used to make a bricks. Bricks is a natural man-made material which is used in the building. Different types of materials that we come across in our daily life are wood, glass, rubber, metal, plastic, and rubber. Materials have often different properties that make them suitable for different uses. Number 1. Transparent and opaque. Capability of material that allow light through and the object clearly seen. Material may be transparent and opaque. So the capability of material that allow light are called the transparent material, and we can clearly see the objects through them are the transparent material. For example, the glass, which is used in the window and ventilators. You can see the sun rays which come in the room through windows and the ventilators. The sun rays do not come across through the wall, but it comes through ventilators in which a glass is used, and glass is a transparent material that allow the light. Opaque materials are the materials that do not allow light to pass through them and we cannot see through them. For example, the door and the book. Number 2. Waterproof and absorbent. Material may be a waterproof and absorbent. Waterproof material are the materials that do not absorb water. For example, plastic, rubber, and metal are the waterproof material. Absorbent material are the material that absorb water. For example, fabric, cloths, and paper are the absorbent material. For example, when we dip a piece of paper and plastic spoon in paper can absorb the water, which is absorbent material, and the plastic spoon do not absorb the water. So the plastic spoon is a waterproof material. Number 3. Magnetic and non-magnetic material. Some material are attracted toward magnet and are called the magnetic material. For example, iron and steel are the magnetic material. Non-magnetic material are the materials that are not attracted to magnet are called the non-magnetic material. For example, keys, stapler pins are the magnetic material. They are attracted toward the magnet. Paper, rubber, plastic are the non-magnetic material. They are not attracted toward the magnet. Flexible and rigid. Material may be flexible or rigid. The capability of material to change shape under a force and then return to its original shape when we stop the force are the flexible material. वो material जो जिसकी shape change हो under the force, when we apply the force and its shape is changed, they are the flexible material. But when we stop the force, it returns to its original shape are the flexible material. For example, when we apply a force on a rubber band, its shape can stretch and its shape can be changed, but when we stop the force, it returns to its original shape. Similarly, when we apply a force on this fork, it cannot change its shape, so the fork is a rigid material. Flexible materials are the materials that can be easily bent. For example, cloth and paper are also a flexible material. Wood are the rigid material, it cannot be bent easily. Some materials are difficult to cut. Materials may be strong or weak or hard or soft. Resistant of material to scratching, cutting or bending are strong material. For example, rocks, stone, and coins are the hard materials. They can be difficultly bent or cut. Some materials are soft. They can be easily bent or break. Some materials can be hard to touch but can break easily when we drop it. For example, glass. Number 6. Conductors. Capability of material to transmit electricity or heat through it. Materials may be conductor or insulator. So the capability of material to transmit electricity or heat through it is called the conductors. For example, cooking metal saucepan which is used for cooking are the conductor of heat. They can allow the heat to transmit through them. Wires are the electric conductors. They can allow the electricity to transmit through it. Insulator are the materials that do not allow heat or electricity to pass through them. For example, wood, plastic are the insulator. They do not allow heat or electricity to pass through them. This is your today lecture. We'll meet on next lecture. Take care.